So we need to be able to add by adjusting, and though I've drawn a number line here, you should be able to do this mentally in your head without any working out. Now here we're adding 98, and 98 is the same as 100 take away 2. So adding 100 to 643 is easy. That gives us 743. And then taking away 2 is easy. That gives us our answer, 741. We added 100 and then subtracted 2, and this is a lot easier than adding 98 by adding 9 tens and 8 units. So you can improve the speed of your calculations if you can use adjusting. Now see how quickly you can answer 274 plus 98. Adding 100 gives us 374, then subtracting 2 gives us our answer, 372. So here we have to add 80, and we can still do this by adjusting. How could we adjust for 80? Well, we can still add 100, but then we need to subtract 20, because 80 is 20 less than 100. This gives us our answer, 723. So because 80 is the same as 100 take away 20, we can add 100 and then take away 20. Now see how quickly you can answer 492 plus 80. We can add 100, then subtract 20, and that gives us our answer. Now adjusting isn't just for adding, we can use it for subtraction as well. Rather than subtracting 98, let's first subtract 100, and now, because we've subtracted 100 rather than 98, we've subtracted 2 too many. So now let's adjust by adding 2. That gives us our answer, 737. So notice this, when adding 98 in an earlier question, we added 100, then subtracted 2. When subtracting 98 here, we subtracted 100, then added 2. So what is 767 minus 98? We can subtract 100, then add 2 to give us our answer, 669. So here we have to subtract 80. So how can we answer this by adjusting? Well, we can still subtract 100, but this means we've subtracted 20 too many. So now let's add 20, and that gives us our answer, 361. So what is 573 minus 80? We can subtract 100, add 20, and that gives us 493.